Hello students, welcome to CBSE TechTalks. Do you want to score full marks in number system? If yes, then this is video for you. Today we will solve previous year questions of 2024 from number system for Rashtriya Military School Common Entrance Examination with tricks and concepts. So let's start with the first question is find the sum of 1106 and minus 885. Can you handle negative numbers quickly? Pause the video and do yourself and let me also solve for you. So if we talk about addition of two numbers where one number is negative, it means we have to subtract the number and we are going to put the sign of bigger number. So here bigger number is 1106 and we are subtracting 885 from it and we are going to put the sign will be positive. 6 minus 5 it means 1. It is 0 and this is 8. 8 is bigger than 0 so we have to take carry, so it will become 10. 10 minus 8 will be 2 and as carry was taken so it was left 10. 10 minus 8 is again 2. So the answer is 221. I hope it is clear. Let's move to second question. The product of two numbers is 44,100. If one of the number is 12, find the second number. This is a direct question, but students often make mistakes. Try before I solve it. So what exactly we have to do? As two numbers are multiplied, product means multiplication. And one is given, it means we have to divide 44,100 and by what number? We have to divide by 12. So we know that 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36. So 36, subtract 36 from 44. So 4 minus 6 is not possible. Carry will be taken. 14 minus 6 will be 8. Drag it 1, 8. So it will be what? Next number will be what? 12 5s are 60 and 12 6s are 72. So we have 12 6s are 72. Subtract 72 from 81. So 11 minus 2 will be 9. Bring this 0 here. 12 7s are 84. Subtract 84 from 90. So 10 minus 4 will be 6. Bring this 0 and 12 5s are 60. So you know the table of 12. I am assuming that you know the table of 12 as you are appearing for the exams and at the end of session. So the correct answer is 3,675. I hope it is clear. Let's move to the third question. Third question, the sum of two numbers is 45. If one of the number is minus 211, what is the second number? Now, can you handle equations with negative numbers? So, what exactly we have to do? We have to find out the number which will be added, or in fact, we will be going to go with the second number. So, sum of two numbers is this. It means what we will write, let the number be x. So, we can, if you want equation, we can go with let the number be x. So, what we have to do, x plus minus 211 equals to 45. This is what is given. So if we go with x equals to, if we take this number that side, it is as it is of negative number, so that side it will become, right hand side it will become positive number, and we have to add these two numbers. So 5 plus 1 is 6, 4 plus 1 is 5 and 256 is the answer. So the correct answer is B part. I hope it is clear. Now, which of the following pair is not co-prime? So again, co-prime number concept is checked. So we know that co-prime numbers are those numbers who are having SCF as 1. And in the question it is asked where the SCF is not 1. So when we talk about 4 and 9, not even a common factor. So SCF is 1. Here again SCF is 1. In third case again SCF is 1. But in 12 and 24 SCF is what? 12. So this is not a co-prime number. I hope it is clear. Now the next one is, what is the difference between the place value and the face value? If you have noticed, students, place value and face value is a common question which comes every year. Now in this question we are looking for 6. So the place value is exactly what? The position of the number, and the face value is number itself. But in this case 6 is at one's place. So the place value and face value are same, that is 6. And they have asked you the difference between, means you have to find out difference between 6 and 6, or you can say 6 minus 6. So what is 6 minus 6? It is 0. So the right answer is A part, number 0. Next question, what is the product of successor and precedor of 9999, or you can say ones, tens, 100,000, 9,999. So when we talk about precedor, it will be, I'm writing here 9, 9 and 9 and 8, one number less than that. This is precedor. And for successor, if we talk about, it will be, now when we multiply these two numbers, as we know that we are multiplying by 10,000, so it will have 4 more zeros after it. So if we see here, 3 nines and 4, 3 9 and 8 and 4 more zeros. So the part A is right answer. I hope it is clear. As time need to be checked upon, we have time constant, so I'm not showing you all the multiplication. You can straight away multiply. If we multiply by 10, 1 0 is added. If we multiply by 100, 2 zeros are added at the end. That way, if we multiply by 10,000, 4 zeros will be added after the number. Next question is subtraction. Now, Roman number is again asked in all the papers. It is easy but tricky. Let's see how to go with. Now when we see, we know that D is what? I'm writing first number here, C, D, X, C, and then V, 1, 1, 1. So we know that D is 500. So if C is before D, it means, and the value for C is what? 100. So it is 400. Now if we talk about this, C is what? 100 plus X is before, so it will be 90. And we know that this is 8. So first number is 498. And if we talk about second number, it is XC, VIII. So this is what? Just now we have done 90. And this is 8. So it is 98. So when we subtract these two numbers, we are getting answer as 400. I hope it is clear. Let's move to the next question. A whole number is added to 100 to get the sum as X. Then the same number is subtracted from 100 to get difference Y. Now both X and Y are added. What will be the sum of two numbers? This looks confusing, but it's actually one of the easiest question if you think logically. So pause the video and try to do it yourself. Okay, now let's assume the number be X. Wait, let me select pen. Okay, so let the number be X. Okay, so we will take N because X is already used here, so I'm taking number be N. So what we have, if we subtract this from the first case is, if we are adding this, we are getting number as X. In the second case, we are subtracting again the same number and we are getting Y. This is N only. So we are adding the same number, the whole number is added. Let the whole number be N. So when we are adding, the sum is becoming X. When we are subtracting the same number, it is giving us Y, and we have to add X and Y. So what exactly we have to do? So we have to add these two. The value of X is 100 plus N and the value of Y is 100 minus N. We know that minus and N will be stuck out, and 100 plus 100 is 200. So answer is 200. I hope it is clear. So it was easy only. We have to make sure that which symbol you are using for that. Next question. Replace star with the smallest number in this digit, or you can say in this number, to make it divisible by 3. So students, we know the rule for divisibility of 3 is what? The sum of all the digits of a number to be divisible by 3. So it means we have to add these digits. So if we talk about this number, we have 3 plus 6 plus 7 plus 3 plus 8 and plus 1. So I have been telling you this is what? 3 plus 7 is 10, 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10. So 10 and 10, 20 and 28. So which is the next number nearest to 28 which is divisible by 3? So that is 30. So what we have to add here to make it 32? So the right answer is A part, that is number 2. I hope it is clear. Next question. A number is 11,000 less than this thing. It means what? We have to subtract 11,000 from it. So what if we subtract it? We have to do quickly. So the number is 2, 5, 8, 6, 9, 2, 1. 11,000. So ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. So 11,000 needs to be subtracted. What will happen? 1, 2, 9, 5, 7, 5 and 2. Which is this part? 2, 5, 7, 5, 9, 2, 1. So part B is the right answer. Next question, what is difference between the smallest whole number and the natural number? This is a conceptual, basic conceptual question. We know that whole numbers start with 0 and the natural numbers start with 1. So the difference between both the numbers is what? 1. 0 minus 1 is 1. So C part is the right answer. Nothing to simplify here. It is straight away question. Next question, the greatest number of 5 digits using 3 different digits with 3 in hundreds place. It means we will have 3 different digits and first of all it is of 5 digit number. Let's go with this. And the hundreds place is 3. So ones, tens and hundreds place is 3. And we have to make it the greatest number with 2 digits. So 1 digit is already there. So we can take 9 and 8. So we can have 9 here, we can have 9 here, we can have 9 here and we can have 8 here. So this is the greatest number of 5 digits. So this is given here. Next question. What is the sum of greatest and the smallest 3-digit number formed using the digits 2, 7 and 8? It is permutation question. And when we talk about the digits given to us and when we find out the greatest number, if it is starting with digits, so we have to, for the greatest number we have to write all the digits in the descending order. So if I say greatest number is what? 8, 7 and 2. And when we talk about smallest number, if we have 0 with us, we start with the second digit of the other than 0, but there is no 0, so we will straight away write here 2, 7 and 8. And what it is asked? Sum. So we have to add this. 8 plus 2 is 10, carry 1. 7 plus 7 is 14, 14 plus 1 is 15, carry 1. 8 plus 2 is 10 and 1 is 11. So answer is 1150, the answer C part. I hope it is clear. Next question. What is the difference between the largest 7-digit number and the smallest 6-digit number? Read the question carefully because sometimes it asks the smallest 7 and largest 6, but this time they have asked you the other thing. So largest 7-digit number will be 7 nines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. When we talk about the smallest 6-digit number, 5 zeros and 1. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 and we have 1 here. So we have two difference. So 9 here, 9 here, 9 here, 9, 9, 8 and 9. So 1, 8. How many nines? 5 nines. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the right answer. Let's move to next question. Subtract minus 1470 from the difference of this and this. There are 3 digits given to you, so don't get confused. It is multi-step question, so focus. So first of all we have to difference from this and this, from the difference of this and this. It means we have to subtract 2, 3, 9, 6. So it is 2, 3, 9, 6 minus 4, 7, 9, 6. So first we have to subtract this way. The bigger number is having negative sign, so answer will be negative. And when we talk about this, you will be getting 6 minus 6 is 0, 9 minus 0, 9 is 0, or you can say 7 minus 3 is 4, and 2400 in negative. And what we have to do now, we have to subtract this number from it. So we will be writing, and we have to subtract, and again we will be putting this thing because this is subtraction symbol and this is the digit which we have to subtract. Now as this is minus and this is minus, you know students, when we have 2 minus it becomes plus. It means what we have to do, 2400 plus 1470. It means we have to subtract 1470 from it. So answer will be what? 0 is 0. It is 0 is less than 7. So we will be taking carry. So 10 minus 7 will be 3. And here is 3. So already carry is to be taken 13. 13 minus 4 will be 9. So answer is 930, and that too negative, because the bigger number is having minus sign. So negative 930. Next one is, what is the greatest 4-digit number formed using this? So greatest 4-digit number forming this, and they have not specified whether digits to, there are 3 digits only, and we have to make it 4 digit. So we can repeat any 1 digit, and when we talk about the greatest number, we will be repeating the greatest digit only. So 8840 will be right answer. So the last question, which of the following number is prime number? We know that prime number have 2 factors, 1 in itself. So let's see which is that number. 27, 2 and 7, it is, sum is coming 9, so it is divisible by 3. Again 51 is also divisible by 3. 83 is not divisible by any number. 45 is again divisible by 3, and other numbers also. So the right answer is what? 83 is the right answer. Students, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to CBSE Tech Talks. Also comment below which topic you want next. Thank you for watching.